Hi everyone and welcome to Dobby's Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make this tasty looking pepper sauce, which can be used for bully and fish or as a dip for any meal of your choice. So let's get cooking. Now in a saucepan or in a pot, you pour in your oil. Then you add your ground onion into the oil. Then you stir fry. Next, you add your ground pepper into the pot. And mix to stir fry. Now this doesn't really need much seasoning, so you just add salt and your seasoning cube and you stir fry. Now you stir fry till the oil settles on top. And the color of the pepper sauce changes like this. You'll notice it's done when it has this beautiful red color. Now your pepper sauce is ready to be used as a dip for maybe your protein, or can be used as a dip for your bouillon fish or a glaze for your protein. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. For this and more, you can scan this code to get access to the recipes. Till next time, bye bye.